Hey, it's Brent. I'm going to talk to you about cutting tile. Now, if you're just getting started in tile, the first thing you're going to need is a grinder with the diamond blade. Most of the time on a job site when I'm doing work, I use a grinder with the diamond blade on it, and then I use all my straight cuts. I do it with a score and break tile cutter like this. So I'll set this up inside the area I'm working because it's nice and clean, and then I'll cut outside because this gets really dusty. You want to buy a nice blade, nice diamond blade for doing fine stuff. They have some more aggressive stuff for cutting concrete and everything, but we're cutting tile. I usually just use a cheap grinder. This one was on sale for like 50 bucks Canadian, I guess, but usually use a cheap grinder. I bought some really nice grinders, and for some reason they seem to die before the cheap ones do. I've got a Bosch one that's cordless, and it only, I think I did like 2 jobs and it just died. It's all the dust gets inside of it and burns it out. So get yourself a nice corded cheap grinder. You spend almost as much on the blade, you should be good to go. The reason why you need a grinder, and you can get away with only using a grinder, is because a grinder can do straight cuts, it can do angle cuts, it can do notches and L's, it can cut holes for small pipes. It can cut round stuff if you need to cut around your toilet flange or your shower valve. And it's good for receptacles. So if you're doing a backsplash, you could just get one of these, but you're going to need a grinder to cut around receptacles. So if you're going to buy one tool to do tile work, it's this tool here.